Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to trade furthermore and increase the balance in my account by using 4 candle strategy. So today at first I am going to teach you my 4 candle strategy, the secret 7 rules. Okay, Queen, what are the 7 rules? The first rule is super trend. I will explain with the example. Okay, super trend period in between fractal chaos band. Super trend indicator must be appeared in between fractal chaos band, no above or no line cut. First rule. Second rule, third candle fractal shouldn't reach above the super trend line or touch the super trend line. Second rule, that is the second rule. Third rule, third candle fractal shouldn't be appeared in doji candle or very short body candle. Okay. Third one, vortex should also go to the same fractal direction. If neutral or opposite direction inclination appear in vortex, don't put entry. Okay, the next rule is only the fifth candle should be in fractal chaos band. If others are appeared in between fractal, doesn't matter, but fifth candle must be in between fractal chaos band. It's a must. Okay. So the other rule is don't enter to a trade if the candle have two fractals from both sides. It's like a doji candle. Two fractals from both sides. It's an indecision condition. Okay. They are the rules, and you know about the things that after appearing super trend, there should be a candle touch in moving line. No, so we are counting 4 candles up from that. We are entering the fifth. No, you know about that, and I also explain now. Okay, explained it now. So yeah, those are the secret rules that I am using in my strategy, 4 candle strategy in YouTube. And even every trader, they are not telling their secrets, like how they are thinking to get a good entry. I am taking those secrets as rules and explaining you guys. So I think you got a clear understanding about those things, those rules. Okay, let's move to I have said I want to set my. Let's find out uh, past entries, few past entries and live entries. Okay, let's find out. Okay, okay. This is not a good trend entry point because the rule one rule was broken. What is that rule? The super trend line touched the fractal. So about the fractal, that rule broken was broken. So going to be broken. So yeah, we have to skip that. Let's find out the past good trade entry point so you guys can understand. If you guys want to join my Telegram channel, please join. And if you guys need the settings, put a message in Telegram. Yeah, okay. This is a past trade entry, but this is a let's see. Yeah, this is a good trade entry point, perfect trade entry point. Let's discuss why is that. Super trend appeared, the moving line touched the candle. This is the candle that moving line touched. The candle that touched. Okay, one we are counting 3, 4. So in the fifth candle appeared in between fractal chaos band, the starting point, only just this. We are not considering because we are entering in the fifth candle. We don't know what will happening after 1 minute in the fifth candle. So this is good trade in fractal appear, but when we slow down this, reduce this, vortex line, the vortex isn't touched. So when we consider the difference between vortex, it's gone upward when the fractal appearing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upward trade entry profit. Okay, let's move to another one. These are not good endpoints because it's pattern line cut. Okay, this one, this one. Okay, polar cut. This is below and this is above polar rule breaking points. Because why am I rules? Because I have seen the entries that are lost due to these features. Okay, so I am avoiding those reasons so I can get a perfect trade entry. That's how in trading you can get a perfect trade entry. There are perfect trade entry. Some people are saying in trading there is no any perfect strategy, just psychology. It's bullshit, man. I know that. I am proof. I'm living proof. So stick to my strategy and listen to my advisors. Okay, let's see. Yeah, as you can see, this is a rule breaking point. One, two, three. Yeah, fractal below the super trend line. One, two, three, four, five. Although the trade was a profit, but sometimes some occasions there will be loss trade. So don't put in those trade entries. Yeah, let's see. Uh, this one. This is not touched when we reduce the vortex expand. This is not touched. If we increase the it's little bit touched, but it's a good perfect trend entry point. Let's discuss for super trend in between Fatokio's band. The candle that touched the moving average line is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. In third candle there is a factor to downwards, and in fifth and fourth candle the difference in vortex is going downwards. So fifth candle also in between fractal curves were a perfect trade rate. As you can see in sixth trade, perfect. But if I mean the perfect means in I'm going to put four trade entries. No, in four trades, they are the profit. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm putting downwards. When we get this example, I am putting four trades to downward ratio, sell position. Okay, so in one of the candle, it's going to be profit. Either fourth candle or third candle or second candle or in first candle. So after your trade, you're going to be profitable. You're going to be increase your balance, not a loss. Okay, that's called 100% accuracy, in my opinion. Because you are predicting that the market is going downwards and it's going downwards and you're getting a profitable income. Okay, let's see other past entry. So if you guys need to find a week, you guys can find in the past trade entries because there are infinite amount of trades now. So that's a good one for you as an experienced trader. That's how you practice. Because in some questions there I have some strategies they have like real time strategy entry points only because the there are some questions like that. There is a when the candle started newly the vortex is going like downwards, but suddenly the candle is going very high upwards, so the vortex is changing like neutral or upward side. So that's the wrong situation when we considering the past trade entries. So we have to check the real time entries also. So keep in mind that things this is a rule breaking point. My strategy is not affecting according to market, OTC or real, whatever you like, cryptocurrency, stock, commodities, whatever. Yeah, this trade then. This is a perfect trade then. Let's see why. Super trend is in between trapezoid span and the candle that touched the moving line is this one. So let's count one, two, three, four. So the in third candle there is a fractal towards upward direction. That means a supportive towards upward. So we have to check the difference between four and fifth candle. Let's say one, two, three, four, four, five different. That's how we get the difference. The line length of the vortex by considering difference of 4 5 candles. Okay, it's move upwards, moved upwards. So vortex and fractal and vortex tally. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 fifth trade was a loss, so doesn't matter. So the sixth trade also a loss, doesn't matter. In third trade it's profit. Okay, it's a good example. So let's move to another past trade entry point. This one, this trade entry point. It's a perfect trade entry point. Let's see why super trend in between. And let's count one, two, three. The candle that touched the moving average line is this one. No? 1 2 3 4. Difference between two candles is representing by this one. No? So 4 5 difference is going upward. So fractal and vortex simultaneously goes upwards or simultaneously supportive for upward direction. 1 2 3 4 5. In fifth candle we are going to put a trade entry towards upward. So suddenly you have to take the decision in 1 or 2 seconds. Suddenly you have to check the fractal and you have to check the vortex suddenly, like a finger snap. So otherwise the price action is always changing. No, sometimes it's gonna be high volatile. So it's either going to be good for you or bad for you. So it's better to always put a trade at the starting candle. So in first candle the trade was support. So let's move to a real market trade entries. Okay, I mean real time. This is going to be a good trade entry point, perfect trade entry point. Let's count. Super trend approved 1 2 3 4. The fractal is coming from this bottom. This is from the doji candle. So the water should go also upward direction. Perfect trade entry. Let's wait. The fractal is not touch the super trend line. As you can see, did you guys saw the quick reaction? Let's see. 40 39 31 second difference. Okay, you have to put like that. Okay, it doesn't matter even though this is trade loss or profit, loss or profit. So we are working into a martingale now, so no problem. As you can see, let's wait. Yeah, the first trade is going to be profit. Okay, profit. Let's 1 2 3 4. Okay, Yeah, this is not a good trade, gentlemen. The factor in appeared and the vortex have gone neutral. So that's why I didn't say anything until the last second. So okay, let's see. Let's discuss. This is a trade environment that is going to reverse. I already told in my last, I think the second video, or else, no, not second, the in my first video. This is called a reverse strategic. Okay, let's see why. All the things are approved, but the factor didn't appear. So that means there is no any force towards downward direction. There is no any force towards downward direction. Force means support. So that means it's obviously going upward, no? So let's see. Doesn't matter. It's definitely going to upward because there is no any force towards downwards. Even though the vortex is going downward, but there is no any force. It should definitely go upwards. Let's wait and see the results. Yeah, it's still struggling to go upward, but there is no any downward movement. If those like these sideways happen, it's going very quickly upwards. Let's see. It's a little bit risky, but you guys don't put like that because sometimes it's gonna be not 100% accurate. The reverse sometimes gonna be good, sometimes not gonna be good. So to my focus strategy, reverse strategy is just for experienced traders. Like I'm the owner of that this strategy, so you can see that. Let's see the last trade entry. I have entered full amount. Okay, let's see the result. As you can see, it's going upward. Yeah, it's going to be perfect. Okay, don't do like that. It's just for me. If you can do that, if you have confidence, you can do that. But doesn't matter. Let's move to the next trade entry. One, two, three, four. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Let's find a one more trade entry. So, okay. Let's see this mark. I have the sense of trading now, so I can guess the next candle where it's going. If the what is going downward, I can put a trade into a downward direction. No, it's going upwards. So we can put a trade in towards upward. So yeah, So it should go upward, no? Yeah, there are some. Actually, there are a lot of. I can put trade entries in every market. Yeah, as you can see, it's going upward. It's going up. I can put in every market, but as experienced, skillful trader, our psychology must be good to a certain level. Otherwise, we can't compete with this trading. We have to control our mind. We should stick to a strategy. Otherwise, we are going to lose someday, somehow, someday. That's the thing. So let's. Yeah, okay, let's see. This trade, the third candle is not a doji candle, but the second candle is the doji candle. Let's see one, two, if the fourth candle didn't exceed the third candle. Yeah, it's exceed one, two, three. Let's see if the candle is coming from downward after candle fractal. If the fractal is coming from downwards and the vortex should go upwards. If that upward, I'm going to enter the trade upwards. I can use short keys also. Let's see. And to present the vortex gone upward, but the upward didn't appear. But doesn't matter. I had an old I had to trade. Oh, that's basically that's the thing here. I'm glad to show you guys. I am like 48 1 second late. In the first channel, it's okay to late 1 second, but in second, third, fourth, you should enter to trade at starting point, at the exact starting point, like 60 seconds. Okay, I'm glad to you can see, guys, the 1 second difference is very huge. The price section difference is very huge. Starting point, my trade entry point. So, okay, let's see. Oh, that's the perfect here. Okay, so I think you guys got the every point that I have discussed in this video. So let's wind up this session. So thank you guys for watching my video, and like, comment, and share this video and subscribe. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you very much.